Hey everybody, it's Erin Riva from SparkBC Technical Training. Thanks for joining us for our weekly hot topics. We have two of our SparkBC electrical experts on the line. We've got Ted Gilbert. Hey Ted.
Hey, how are you doing today, Erin?
I'm doing great. Not as good as you though. I like that background.
Oh yeah. Yeah, if I was only there.
And we've got Don Ballard, another one of our SparkBC trainers. Where are you,
Hello.
Don? There you are. How's it going?
How are you doing today?
Thanks for joining us. It's good to see you guys. It feels like it's been forever. So hey, Ted's got something going on. He's got a topic he wants to discuss today. So I'm going to throw it over to you, Ted, and you guys can, discuss.
We'll chew the fat a little. Yeah, thanks, Erin.
Yeah. Okay. Here, I'm going to pass it on to you. Okay.
Okay.
All right, looking forward to this topic today there, Ted. It sounds like an interesting one.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, I'm now the host. All right, we'll share the screen. Perfect.
I love this Zoom stuff.
Zoom.
All right. Can everybody see this picture?
Yep.
All right, this was sent to me by a contractor. He's doing an installation at a doctor's office. This is in one of the exam rooms, and it's deemed by the code to be a basic care area. And so his question was, did he really need to bond this sink, Don? And, you know, I think he's made a pretty good point about it. He's got plastic plumbing, and I believe that it's plastic PEX water lines. So the metal of the sink is completely isolated, and I don't see how the code would make you bond it. Don, what do you think?
Yeah, let's look at the code rule on that.
I happen to have that. Hold on here. So I'll just highlight the one I'm looking at. We're in section 24, bonding to ground in basic care areas. And the rule I think that applies, Don, is number 8 here.
20. Okay.
24-104.
104.8. Okay, yeah. So it looks like the question is, can that sink become energized?
Yeah. So if it's plastic plumbing and plastic water lines, I say no. What say you?
You know what? I agree with you totally. I don't think personally, I don't think that sink really requires to be bonded. I mean, it looks like the contractor did an outstanding job of bonding it, but I don't know if I would agree with that he'd actually have to do that, Ted.
Yeah. Well, now, what about if the water lines were metallic?
You know, I think if the water line's metallic, there's definitely a chance, and there could be that sink could become energized through that copper metallic piping system. But that sink is isolated. I don't think it requires bonding. That's my take.
Well, I agree with you 100%, Don, and thanks for chiming in on this. Folks,
I have one other question for you, Ted.
Yeah.
A really important one. Just wanted to know what club you're going to use.
Well, I'm about 200 yards out. I think I'm going to hit a 4-iron because I got the wind with me.
Way to good. Good seeing you today.
Hey, good talking to you too. Erin, thanks very much.
Nice to see you guys. Take care.
Now, if everyone out there has some questions, by all means, give us your questions, give us your comments, info@sparkbc.ca. Thanks a lot. See you again soon.
Thanks. Bye.
We'll see you.
Bye.